Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to find and delete your comments on Facebook app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Go down a little bit till you get access your information. Click on your activity across Facebook. Press on comments. Here you can find comments which you already have posted on Facebook. If you want to view comments, just press on 3 dot here. Then click on view. You will find comments which you have already posted. Go back. If you want to delete this comment, just press on the same 3 dot. Then click on delete. You will find here that your comment which you have posted already deleted. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to find and delete your comment on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.